Hello, I'm going to show you how to set the time on your stereo in your Mack truck. There's different stereos in the different trucks, but this one seems to be the most problem in setting the time. So here's how you do it. First of all, turn your power on so your radio is on. Then at the same time, press and hold the number 3 and the number 6 until you hear a beep. Once you hear the beep, you can adjust your time using your volume control. Once you get the correct time, just simply press power. And there you have it. Your time is now ready to go. Have a good day.